Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message on form submission. So let's suppose I'm running a business and I'm providing free ebook download. Now I want that whenever someone submits this form, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all these customers where the link of this ebook is given. Now I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between teleforms and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take teleforms from where I will receive new form submission and this complete workflow will get triggered. And in my action application, I will take AI Sensei from where I will send automated WhatsApp message. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between teleforms and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to send automated WhatsApp message on form submission. And then I need to select the folder. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select WhatsApp automations and click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in the workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message on form submission, which means whenever a form will be submitted, a WhatsApp message will be sent, which means whenever a form will be submitted, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take my form as tele. And then in my trigger event, I will take new response. Now I need to make connection between teleform and Pabbly Connect for which a webhook URL is provided to me and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my teleforms with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection and to make this connection, let me take you to my tele account. So this is my tele account and these are the forms that have been created. I want to use this contact as form. So I will open this and then click on this integrations. And then over here I can see this webhook option. So I will click on this edit. And over here, I need to paste my recent webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and from over here, copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Then click on this Save Changes. Now I have added my webhook to this form. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and over here, I can see waiting for the webhook response. And under this, it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission, so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission or submit a form so that I can get a response over here. So I'll go back to teleforms and then from over here, I'll click on this share and then click on this copy and then open this form in a new tab. And over here, I will enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my phone number is, and then my email address is latest222@pabblytudes.com. Then I'll click on the submit and I have submitted a form. Now I need to go to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received this response there or not. So here I can see I have instantly captured the response. The first name was latest, the last name was user, phone number was this, email address was latest222@pabblytudes.com. This means Tele is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So whenever I receive the form response, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to all these people. So here my action application will be WhatsApp by AI Sensei. And then in my action event, I will take send template message. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, you have to click on this add new connection, and we then have to make the connection. For that, we have to first enter the API key. So it's written enter the API key here from your AI Sensei account. To obtain the API key, log into your AI Sensei account, navigate to manage section, then go to API, and then click on generate API key button. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So on the left hand side, I can see all the options. Here I need to click on this manage, and then here I can see this API key. So I simply have to copy this API key, go back and paste it in this field. Now I have to click on the save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect are connected. Now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei. So on the left hand side, I will click on this manage and then click on this all. So here I have created a template by the name free ebook download, and this reads as hi demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I receive a new response. So this will keep changing for the name of the customers. So it reads as hi demo, thank you for requesting our free ebook. You can download your ebook using the following link. We hope you find it valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive offers coming your way. Best regards, Market Edge Solutions. So this is the template that I have created, and I have created a campaign for this same template. So over here, if I click on this campaign option, I can see this ebook. So I have created a campaign by the name ebook for my template by the name free ebook download. So I'll copy this name of this campaign ebook, and then I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Now I need to enter the mobile number. So I want to send WhatsApp message to all the form responses that I have received from my teleform. So in my teleform, I have received the response of phone number as this one. So I will map this phone number. So over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static, and the information will not change even if you receive the new response. Here, if I manually enter the mobile number, this field will become static, and the same message will keep on going to one single number. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Over here, I will follow the same process and enter my username as latest user. I'm leaving this field blank, which is source and tags, because these are not required one. Then I need to enter my template parameter. So it's written enter the parameter values to be filled in template message here. That the parameter value should be comma separated example this. So over here I will map my first name in the template parameter, because I have told you that in my message I have kept the custom variable for the name of the customer, and I just have that one personalized variable. So over here I will enter that. If you have any other variables, you can enter, and those values should be separated by comma. Now these fields are not required ones, so I will leave this blank. And over here I have entered the template parameter, username and the mobile number. Over here, this is a dummy phone number, and to show you the message, I have to enter my own phone number. So for now, I'm simply erasing this, and I will enter my own WhatsApp phone number so that I can show you the message that I will receive. Now I simply have to click on this save and send test request. So here I have received the response. The response is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. And here I can see I have received the response. The message reads as hi latest, thank you for requesting our free ebook. You can download your ebook using the following link this. So this means my workflow is working properly, and so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open our form again and fill some other dummy details. So here let's say this time my name is admin, my last name is user, my phone number is, and then my email address is admin@pabblitudes.com. Now click on submit, As I've submitted a form, I should have received message on my WhatsApp. So let's go back to my WhatsApp. And here I can see I have received the message, this time for the name admin. So this is the same message that we have created as a template in AI Sensei, and the name has been replaced with the new name now. Hi admin, thank you for requesting for our ebook. You can download your ebook using the following link. So to summarize, we took Tally Forms as our trigger application where we made connection with the help of this webbook URL. We submitted a form and received the response. Next, we entered our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the campaign name, then entered the user name and the template parameters, after which we simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as a WhatsApp message on my phone number. This means we have successfully created automation between Teleforms and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.